go record this for the people from all over the world. That okay?
Yes, man, do your thing, man.
Go on, shoot.
So,
So what you have to say?
you- so you want to say, afford, me I watch a show, and this show, me see all heap of show up on Facebook and Instagram and all of them YouTube and them stuff. But they no show now show where you are show me elder. You understand? And I appreciate everything where you do, and I respect everything where you do. And I hope Jah give you the strength to continue doing it.
Yes, sir.
Because not only that you're doing a great thing for the country, you're I don't think your rims where sometimes I sit down, to them that work, I'm in my office. And I said to myself, I wonder if Randy really know what him do. I wonder if he really know what he's he doing. I wonder if he really understand or fully understand the mission. Because God touch people in many ways, Him touch the painter with the brush, him touch the musician with him voice, him touch people in different ways. But him touch you with a camera. I wonder if you realize what I go on. You understand?
Yeah.
Him touch you with a camera, man. Him touch you with a camera. And it's a reason why I'm doing it, because everything got me for a reason. Because watch you now. Did you know that when I watch your show, I did work today and my co-worker say, so boss man, oh you just a smile so. I mean I tell them say right now I'll be a yard up on my mind, right now I want to take all a vacation. That me I tell you no. So one of the guys come over to me and I say, what are you talking about? You're homesick? Are you homesick? I'm gonna say, listen to me. I'm gonna take up my phone, man. I'm gonna just go YouTube same time, man, and show him Baba, man. And show him how the man them a live. I'm gonna say, look, that's where I come from. You see the greenery? You see the vegetation? You see the serene? You see the peaceful? You see the godliness about it? You understand? You saw a man living in love. So when you hear people talk about don't go to Jamaica and don't leave the resort, don't listen to what them say. You won't get this experience if you don't step foot outside of the hotel. So me I tell my co-worker them. And them I say, what? I say, yes, man. I saw the thing said. You understand? I and I born and raised a town, I a town man.
Yeah.
The reason why I tell you this is because most of the people them where you encounter on the shore is from country. But it transcends in plethoras of ways, many ways to everybody. So if me can understand it, if me can watch it and get it and stuck back, I'm stuck on it, Yo, me say me a PTO, you see? All who listen, all American people know PTO, me. Understand? Because paid time off, you accumulate it every day when you work. At certain job you do. At my job I do. Okay? So if you have 8 hours of PTO time and tomorrow I forgot work, you just call the boss and tell the boss that you want to use the PTO because you have to watch Good Life Jamaica. You understand? So I saw the thing set right now. So me down my house and all of my family members them I wonder say, oh, he just stop on this thing. Every time him come in from work in front of the TV, he go up on YouTube, go watch this Good Life. So I appreciate it and I respect it and I love it. May I tell you, Ronnie, you do a wonderful thing. You understand? You help me. The show helped me in a way where I don't think I watch you now. Make I tell this to you. And this is a real time. I know you're live in your record. I don't care. You understand? Because the thing is truth and reality. And when you're real to the thing, you can't fake, Your realness have to come out. You see, as me I talk to you, me the immigration problem, Yes, man. Me the immigration problem. Because I make some mistake when I was young, when I come here. Because I didn't have the teaching. If I didn't have somebody to tell me, I mean, you say it on it, You say it. If I didn't have somebody to tell me, say, this could have buy 2 pieces of black. And if you didn't have guidance, but no, we come here so young, and sometimes we adapt. Because you're there a Roman, you have to do a romance too.
Yeah.
And after a while, you lose contact.
Yeah.
So the same thing where you say you have to go back and find yourself. You understand?
Yeah.
People need things from them childhood to remind them. And this is what the show brings. The show brings at every part of Jamaica, from Negril go to Kingston. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
The show touch on every aspect, the people them and everything. So now I call up my lawyer the other day, and he must say, "What? You leave 10 messages. What's going on?" I'm say, me not tell him say the show me I watch, you know. But me tell him say, listen to me, lawyer boy. Cause I have some money put on, you know, and I give you some money and I tell you, say, don't worry yourself, cause I not fit up myself. But right now I have fit up myself, cause I forgot Jamaica. So here you do know, you find any tool where you use and you hurry up and use it and clear my way so me can fly.
Mm-hmm.
Because I tell you to press brakes, cause me not rush myself. You understand? Because I come from town, you know, and I'm not afraid for talking. Which part I come from, you know, no good again, you know. The people I'm not loving them out around there. There's still people around there with love, you know. But it's not everybody. It's not everybody. Understand? Too many people get caught up in this life of want to be what them say American. Ronnie, tell them so they work harder at America than we do at Jamaica, Ronnie.
Yeah.
The most hard work we do when we grew up in as youth, you know, and then tell us to go feed pig and pick that and sweep that, you know, and carry that and catch water and sit. That was hard work. But that hard work with them show we it build us. Cause even though when I got work, you know, them said, blows and skirt. Yeah, boss man, in work in a every situation, you know, in help out everybody, you know, in afraid for working, and we take all them up and map the floor, you know, in a jacket and tie, you know.
Mm.
And everybody look at me like me crazy. I mean I tell them, say, listen to me. I come from Jamaica, you know. I know you don't like the rooster, you know. Cause you love talk, so you gotta lick the rooster with big stone. My father used to tell me, so we have to get up before the cock put on him drawers, you know. So before the rooster start crowing, you know, you have to get up, you know. You understand? Before the cock put on him drawers, I'm up, you know. That's my father work. You understand? And the reason why I'm captivated by your thing is because my father's set of family come from Westmoreland. So in the year Pokey attack, but she come from Froman and all them. Them places where I run up and down as youth.
Yeah.
I run up and down as youth. Green Jail, Alma, Local London. You name it.
Mm-hmm.
I from Westmoreland, but I grew up East Kingston. I grew in the belly of the beast, you know. You see the fire will come out of the dragon?
Yeah.
I live which part of fire created in the belly of the dragon, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I live in the belly of the beast, you know, right? You understand? Yes, I live in the belly of the beast. But I have a thing inside of me because I always go country, you know. Every summer, my old lady would say, you ready? And I say, what? Me can't wait to catch my bus to go to Westmoreland, you know. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So I used to go country, and whenever I go country, you know, I don't know about you, know, because I see in a shoes in a Babaland. I come to the first thing I do, I stop a Sav, you know. I stop a Sav and get my cutlass, you know, my water boat. You understand? You know what's wrong, Ronnie? You make a mistake right there. I watching the show and I said, no, sir. Ronnie messed up.
Let me correct that. This is how a lot of people don't know. When we used to go country, we used to go barefoot.
All right.
So when you
Yes.
hear me, I said to you know, when you see me in a slippers, me just a step away from what me used to do.
Yes, you're so right, Ronnie.
So now when
You're
you
so
say
right.
enough people talk, you know, but you see them, you see, when we grew up in Manchester now, where you see them sharp stone there, in order to be a samurai, you have to run past sharp stone.
So true.
Barefooted, my lad. So when
So
the
true.
amount of back cut my foot and you still have to move.
True.
So we used to go
true.
bush, you see where all the maca them joke, you just keep moving.
No, sir, them think they come like when time water drop on your skin. When we are youth, I grow up, you know, and get macajuka them something. We never feel it. We never see it. We got to say, boy, you see your foot and bleed. We don't even notice it. We don't even feel it. we are soldier, man. That's how we grow, man. You know?
Soldier. Yeah, man.
Yes, man. We are soldier, man. Samurai soldier, man. Lion of the jungle, man. I real talk, man. So when I watch your show, Ronnie, man, your show inspire me, man. Your show wake up a thing where they are sleeping on me. Because I have it in me long time, you know.
What you mean?
But it's sleeping. Because I get caught up in the carpet world, you know. I get caught up right now. Me I work and I have over 35 people underneath me when me have to make sure them get paid and everything.
Where is it?
So my lifestyle busy. I'm come from nothing, you know, Ronnie. I come from nothing, you know, and this is how we want to share the world. You see a lot of people talk things about town and Kingston, Jamaica, and say this and say that, and say them want to forget town and all them something there. But I grew up at town, you know, and I used to carry water. I grew up at East Kingston, Jamaica, and I used to carry water.
Mm-hmm.
I have to have some drum in my yard I have to full up every morning. One cup my mother give me for wash my face and brush my teeth, you know. Yes, so sometimes half a cup, don't waste the water, boy. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So when I come America and I see how people living, you know, and I said, wow, them everything logo does throw them, so you know? And then after a while, you come just like them.
Mm-hmm.
You come just like them because what you do, you get up. We don't exercise no more. We used to play football, run up and down, and go swim, climb tree, build muscle. We don't do that no more. We wake up, we turn on the news and watch the weather when it's snowing. If how long we have to go take for that walk, we clean off the car, we jump in it, we drive, we sit in the office, we start type on computer. We need to get up 2 times and walk up and down. We take elevator go up on high floor, elevator down, jump in our car and go we yard. So you see the exercise thing now, it cut out. You have to go get a membership to a gym now if you're really into health like that.
Mm-hmm.
But in Jamaica, the things we do was exercise and we don't even notice it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Carrying the water, that was exercise, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Tie up the goat and the cow. Hey, my father, they have a cow, you know. Them call him the same man from Brooklyn, the back in the mafia man there. Them call him Sammy the Bull, you know, man.
Mm-hmm.
Sammy the Bull, you know, a 3 hours we have to take for one Sammy the Bull, you know. When that get it from you, you know, man. I'm say one evening, you know. I say, you nah get it from me today, you know. No, master. I'm say, my muscle up on him, man. That builds strength.
Mm-hmm.
So everything we do at Jamaica, swimming and all them things, I say swimming is the best exercise. So we used to swim every day and go river and pond and then lake and then sit there and we go swim.
Mm-hmm.
So we build strength.
Mm-hmm.
So growing up in Jamaica now, and we come to America now, and this is for everybody now. We're in America now. We're left from them a youth.
Mm-hmm.
We used to grow up. Enough of them still, you know, them left from them at 3 and 4, you know, them the experience, so we experience. Now, well, even we're in our teens. I believe Jamaica, I was 19 years old, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I know me at 30 odd. So you have to understand.
Mm-hmm.
And I never been back to Jamaica, you know. I never been back to Jamaica from my 19-year-old. I touch back Jamaica.
Where is it to me?
Yes, man. Like I tell you from the when I just started, I didn't give me immigration problem. Because I don't take that from people in running. I bother than bull, you know. So when I come up here, when I come up in America now and people and then people go against me now and I defend myself. I just do what I do because I beat up 2 boys in a running. And I just beat them up and down my yard. You know. When I down my yard, police down my yard. They must say, boy, you never report it. And you leave the scene. And me I say, listen, Jamaica, I come from an officer. When we have a problem, I beat up you and you beat up me. Me down in my yard and you got your yard and it's done.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know I have to report to government about the situation where take place up the road.
Mm-hmm.
So I get in trouble because I come here with a green card and them say, don't get in trouble for the first 5 years. And then me get in trouble for the first year. So them violate my green card after that. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So when that go on now is a 1 bag of process, me I forgot you know forget it back right now. I'm halfway through the process. But like me say, me not a troublemaker. So when time Obama and everybody I get deported, you know, I tell you, say, you know, this is the thing with the inside of me. And my old lady cry every day. She got church and she prays so till. Yes, man. She said, boy, my son, I don't want nothing to you, and I don't want him come for you, know. Hurry up and fix your paper. And I said, mommy, I don't worry myself, you know. She said, what make you not worry? Because if I really get deported, you know, what the worst thing can happen to me? I go back to Jamaica and live where I used to live. I never did that suffer. I graduated high school, you know, with 3 subjects. I go work at the airport. At airport, I left from after 9/11, you know. 9/11 happened, and the whole Jamaica get calm because the tourist industry locked down. Nobody now fly. Airport no plane, everything grounded. Them have to lay off people, and the people in Jamaica can confess to that. Everything goes slow. Everybody know. I have in a 2 partner draw, and I get my partner. You understand? And I will up on my partner and go and pinch it. But I didn't have badness in around it. I didn't have badness in it. I like I said, I grew up rough. And I never go in a badness because I want the body, you know. I go in a badness to defend my own self.
Mm-hmm.
My own self. Because enough youth from town can confess to this, you know. Enough of we never want to take up gun, you know. We don't want to arm to people because that's how we grow up. But when people bring arm to you, you have to defend yourself. Watch I know. You know this youth, you know, you and him go school together. And feed family them with some other people them in a things. And you go check him up on yard one day. You don't know what going on, but you go check him. But people see him a go shop, people see him come from school, people see him play.
Yeah,
so people say you him a friend.
Yeah.
So when in a problem now, guess what? You in a problem too, you know, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's a turn on, you know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because them are gonna link you with them. Them are gonna say, listen, now one of them that.
Yes,
and then you know what them say at Jamaica,
yes,
if you can't get spot, you catch him shot.
Yes, yes, yes.
One time I up on a road, I up on a van go look at work, you know, with my friend named Wayne.
Yes.
And I am the same youth in the truck. And we are drive past Lanston Road, you know, in East Kingston there. Yeah. And man fire shut off away. Man fire shut off on me. Me say me have a duck like goose. You understand? Because me I said to myself, say, why would them want to fight hurt me? And I say, no, and I really you know. And this a man in the back of the van, you know. But through the whole on a par, whole on a friend now, you know, them catch the whole on now, them happy.
Okay.
So I start defend myself. A Vauxhall me go, you know. Vauxhall right in front of Bellevue. And then after Bellevue was the ocean, the local beer right there, so Port Royal. So when the wind come off of the ocean, the wind touch Bellevue first, all of the mad people them over there. And then they lick my school. My class at the front, so I get the first mad ear lick. So my head chip from a long time. So I don't take talk from people. So I defend myself. I start go on the people who I know can defend me until me turn big man. I start defend myself. I start walk with gun and all these things. Well, I never used to do. But Jana sleeping, you know, no matter far I walking, they never leave me, you know. I tell you one thing. My mother is a Christian woman. I grew up in a church. I say I go to church more than Mary, you know. Yes, man. I go to church more than Mary, man. And I tell you, you know, Ronnie, one evening, while in the area, you know, I'm decide, so I make them come down here, come kill we off, you know, I'm defend myself. So me get some big shoes. Yes, man, me get some shoes. I mean, my friend them there on the corner, and we are look out. And I see someone that come from up the road, and them look dangerous. Because them have dangerous thing in them, and I walk with it, Ronnie. So I now wait until them come down here. I tell them, say, don't come down here. And only way I can tell them that is if I bark at them. So I let the dog bark. But when the dog bark, you know, this woman was coming around the corner. She named Miss Clark. Very good woman of my mother, you know. She my mother come like church, my church sister. She was like my second mother when my mother migrated and gone to America and left me at Jamaica. She was like my adopted mother. Yes. And when Miss Clark come around the corner, she couldn't believe me and I make 4 and she see the dog in my hand and the dog a bark. And she said, Jesus Christ. And she started praying right there, so. Same time, you know, I get a phone call about 2 hours later from my mother. My mother living in New Jersey. I mean, my mother said, listen to me, because no matter how, because me 30 years now, no. No matter how big, you see my mother, the love I have for my mother, she can school me over the phone, you know, she don't have to in front of me, you know. The son of her advice humble me, you know. I'm afraid of that woman there, you know. Yes, man. I love her so much, man. If anything, if she said me I do something with her time, I tap it, man. No matter how much I love it, I tap it. You understand? Because I love my mother that much. So here I go on now. Miss Clark report to my mother, you know. My mother called me same time, you know. Then time I look at phone, look at digital phone. Then. My mother called me and tell me, listen, because them time that after 9/11, you know. And if you can remember, you know, after 9/11, you know, after 9/11, before 9/11, Adams, Renato Adams, did that Mountain View.
Yeah.
I want to be a thing, the place on a curfew, shut a fire. And I say, me have to sleep on the ground. Me have to sleep on the ground, because bed no good again. Bed get shut up. Pillar get shut up. You say all the bed seat where you go on the yard, 5 million that town that shut up in the running. Yes, man. So me have to sleep on the ground. You see, me have some tree in my yard, you know, and sometimes I on my veranda, and shot start fire, and then bullet just fly through the tree, you know, through the tree like bird in there, you know. You have to get low, man. Anytime war broke out. So Adams in the place, you know. Adams in the place. When you Adams in the place, and things are going. And me and my friend them have to run up and down because them done style we as bad youth, you know. Adams done ask the people them, you know. Say, listen, who are the bad youth? Them and them find me out, so we have to get low. But them tell them me a working youth. Me a work at airport. Me not beg nobody, me not rob nobody. Me a look my own food. You understand?
So no, you sure you want to tell them story have to go to the world?
Me say, it's a story I forgot to the world. Them have somebody have to get an inspiration from my story, you know, Ronnie. Just like come and get an inspiration from your story, you know.
So let me ask you this. You know about certain levels in Jamaica. How would you give some tips about how people for move in Jamaica? Give some tips from Kingston to Mobile. Give people some tips how for move and flex in Jamaica.
Ronnie, it's simple, you know. It's simple like ABC. Just be yourself. Just be yourself. Because once you be yourself, you know, Ronnie, you see, if you wasn't be yourself, you wouldn't link with Porky, you know. You understand? You wouldn't link with Trusty. None of the man them. You wouldn't link with them. You'd just dead there, stop on the grill, buy your pork, buy wherever you buy, and you just reach a Manchester. Understand? If you stop at the hotel, you stop at the hotel. But who you is who you is. And people feel after energy, you know. Listen to Porky when she talk, because she's a real woman, you know. But it's just you feel energy. Energy is a thing, you know, where everybody have around them, you know. It's like an aura, you know. Once it come around you and you feel it, you know it, you know. So watch you know. When you're that town now, because people will say, Lord, I got town bad. I know people are born and grow town, old people, you know, sitting there right now. And them never get robbed yet. No man never try to shoot them or anything. Because what? Them know the rules of engagement. So listen to the rule of engagement now. You stay in your lane. You're a church man, the bad man, then we bless you. You know that too, Ronnie. You say if you're a baller, the bad man, then we bless you. Wow, the baller, that's for the community, man. Nobody not hurt you. If you are the cook man on the corner, nobody not hurt you. But once in a Ronnie, once you start sit and talk about things where the next set of party them don't agree with, once them disagree with anybody where you sit and conversate with them, that's it. Them are gonna associate, you know. So you have to know if you keep your distance from certain people now. So when you go around people, you can sense and say, why? You know, right? I say, no. Yes, my virgin, me here, you know, bless I got you and pass through, you know. Big up yourself, man, blessing, more life. And you keep it moving. You know who to stop and talk to, you know who not to stop and talk to. Because some man at Jamaica scope them face so much in the running. Them run of them blessing, you know. Them run of them blessing because them put on this error, this shield around them. Where it's negative, all negative thinking. Why must me go work and work so hard? And I come from work and you sit down on the corner all day. Boss man, what I want? Buy me something, no buy me a drink, no? No, I not say it work, Ronnie. You understand? So you have to know the rules of engagement. Them type of people, you know, walk around them like you say, dirty people, you know, go on dirty people.
No, you want to correct that. When I say dirty people, I talk about farmers. The people that I hang around with, I say dirty people that Manchester, and the people that hands were dirty, it means they're farmers.
I overstand that knowledge. I overstand that knowledge. So true. So very true. But the knowledge I try to show the world now is that certain people, them real dirty, them clothes clean, but them heart want detergent, man.
Yes, sir.
Them heart want fab soap and carbolic.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Because Because what you know, Ronnie, you can maneuver your way through town. You can maneuver your way through any garrison. So all of these things, all these shooting, all these killing that go on at town. You see people start party. A 3-4 party man there, Jewsland, Tivoli, matches. People that party said weird. You just have to know how to maneuver yourself.
Yeah, man.
Don't go out of your lane.
Yes,
Be
sir.
yourself and accept people accept you. And that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Once you start take side, it don't feel. You have to take side for life.
Mm-hmm.
That's the poison at all. That's the poison of, like my father, I always my would say, that's the poison of kill some. Can I call it kill some, you know? You call it kill some. That's the poison from kill some. Once you start hanging out with certain people, you associate yourself with them.
Mm-hmm.
And if them is wrong people, that's it. You're poison for life.
Mm-hmm.
You have to take yourself away from them. You have to take yourself away from them. Understand?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You have to take away yourself from them. So you have to know the rules and laws of engagement.
Yes,
in any way you go.
Mm-hmm.
Listen, man. I'm tell people this, man. Ronnie, you know this too. You can't go in the 90s in a wind trap and a rockland and then go move like a fish, you know.
No.
You get skill. Yes, man. You can't go down a Canada, down a Vinch and Fitch and go out with a foolish in a Canada then. No. So every country, everywhere in the world, them have a thing them called rules of engagement.
Yes, sir.
So if you forget the rule of engagement now, it bad for you, man. It really bad for you.
Yeah, man.
So enough youth of Jamaica, you see, I would love this, Ronnie.
Mm-hmm.
If it could have be on the flip side. When I say the flip side, I mean I wish somebody can pick up what you are doing, but in America, and really take a camera and wake up with a man and show how a man wake up and get ready for go walk where man walk and come back home and see the price of the stuff that when man pay for everything.
Yes.
And ask them, would you trade what you have for this?
Yes.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Because my choice is to come America wasn't really my choice, and I never have foreign mind like them. But I say, no. I don't want and my old lady decided, said, you have to come. Me I come next month. When she called me, she said, I come next month. So I said, Mommy, where you talk about? She said, me I come for you, pack up everything where you have. I don't matter, pack up nothing. They just come with it too long. I not lose my picnic through violence at Kingston. And I saw it said, and she come get me. And I end up in a New York, yeah. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So every youth now in a Jamaica now, them have an island mind. Ronnie, you travel, you know what I go on. Me travel, me know what I go on. You see them have an island mind. So when you have an island mind, you can think on the island.
Mm-hmm.
But we come out foreign now, so we have an international mind.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have Jamaicans now, we have an international mind because them read and them study.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to travel to expand your mind, you know. Marcus Garvey didn't travel, you know.
Mm-hmm.
The first vision of Marcus Garvey get him didn't travel.
Mm-hmm.
But him grew up in them uncle Pinchery. And he read all the books them, so him get knowledge from that and know say, we can do way better than what we are doing, man. Subtain myself. That's man, we can do way better.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have to travel. But we know we don't go into the book like that now. We travel and we see it. Everybody, you say, where are you from? You got an accent. Where are you from, man? You said, Jamaica. You say, oh, it's so beautiful. I always want to go there. Or them say, oh, it's so beautiful. I've been there. And they say, which part? Nigel, Ochi, Mobile. They say, oh, yes, I went to Montego Bay. Now we say Mobile, the whole world say Montego Bay.
Mm-hmm.
So what are you doing here? That's always the question.
Mm-hmm.
Jamaican people, that is always the question American people ask us. What are you doing here? Because them go there for 2 weeks vacation and them see how nice it is.
Mm-hmm.
How beautiful it is. It's paradise. We live in a paradise.
Mm-hmm.
But through the fluctuation of the government and the economy, people go out and search for better life.
Yes.
And sometimes when they go out and them find the better life, they say, wow, this is good life. But them fail to remember. So if them they have the mentality and the thinking, like the brother will have the hotel they were in the idea, right? That's the man a taxi the man use.
Yes.
The man that use that big money, a taxi. Start that.
Yes.
You understand? When me that Jamaican running, we always think about we want to get rich, we want to get rich. But the rich man don't want to get rich. The rich man say me want to get wealthy.
Mm-hmm.
Riches can come and go, you know. But wealth can be finished by 1 or 2 or 3 generations.
Yes.
Wealth is a thing that goes on and on.
Yes.
4 or 5 generations can't done it.
Yes.
But a black man, we get rich and spend off the money. Ronnie, you see it at Brooklyn, it happen. Them don't live nowhere, them live in an apartment complex, but them have big Benz and big Lexus park outside. The rich man put him car in a garage, come off to buy a house. So you see, people think different. Ronnie, what the word I look for? You always use it. It's a mind thing.
Perception.
Yes, man, it's a mind perception, man.
Yeah.
Because trusty them, I see you use it on them, and I'm a pretty levels. I say, oh, trusty live at a country that go buy tomato and all and sit there. Yeah, Ronnie said, get some car tire, man. Put some there tonight, man.
Yes, sir.
Because I pity them not knowing, Ronnie. I pity them not knowing. In a summertime, you know, I grow everything in my backyard, you know. Guys,
Yes.
I live upstate New York, so I have whole heap of land.
Yes.
You understand? My backyard well big, you know. So I dig up and I have tomato, I have my friend them bring pepper from Jamaica, I have pepper seed, and me have pop chow, me have all these things, callaloo, me have everything. So me can't wait for summer come again so me can plant and eat from my ground.
Yes, sir.
And I told me come from, and I know that. But didn't know that even when me that town, and me was the only town man at town where I have cane and grow in them backyard. Me have cane and grow at town in my backyard. Ask any one of my friends then. You understand? Because I have the farming in me and I never grew up with it, you know. I go country. I go Westmoreland. Summer vacation left. When I left when school now kid. I got country and I say, what? This life is good, man. This life is great. This life is where I want to live. So when I come afar, you know, I forget about our culture. Yes, we forget. I would think so. We live in this absolute life because if people see me now, they wouldn't recognize me. You know why? They would have said, no, sir, I know him that him, that Lord mouth bad boy there, him that in the office. Yes, man, I me, man. Because when you go to different places, like open up your eyes and I say, but me no fool. Me graduate eyes, me have subject, me have big. I want to the people. Me, I go put my brain to work now and show no. And I climb the ladder faster than I climb the ladder like it was an escalator. When I get recommended on my job, when bosses come down and say, what is this? Look at you are changing the numbers. I am a number man and I tell them, you know, they say man lie, woman lie, but numbers don't. So when I start working here, the numbers was this, you know, now the numbers is triple the score. So watch out, no matter when me I do, I must be doing something good. I'm going to climb the carpet ladder now. Yes, man, climb the carpet ladder, man. I have big office with AC and freak, everything in my office, man. Everything in my office, man. People come in my office and now I left, man. My office come like a room, man, like a bedroom, everything in that TV, everything, man.
Yes, you make it.
Yes. I make my mother proud and me, my family them proud. And my grandmother, she not start talk about me, you know. She said, why my grandson, you know.
All right, so make a change it up a little. No, what have you done for Jamaica?
That me I tell you now, Ronnie. That me I got that part them when you come to know. So watch you know. Me and my friend them, you know, we have an organization, you know. We give back to the people them, you know. Even the same my place that me I tell about to Bellevue. We have things that we ship down. We have treat we keep for the kids them back to school treat. So it's a true me depend on the level me when me depend on my job now. Me talk to my bosses them and show them my dream and my plan. Because me working in our hotel in around. Me's a man, you know. Me work for Hilton, you know. Hilton Hotel, you know, when I dig a chain them. Yes. I will open up properties. Me travel all over America, you know, just open up hotel. You know. When they want the thing to run right, $1 million cents fine, you know. And when me come in, I tell them, you know, I work, I come for work, and a chicken, I come for jerk. So watch out now. This happen because me is well militant on the job, well militant. All my socks me pressing out. When me I got work, all my socks
you
neat.
press your socks?
Me say everything pressed down neat, running man. Me say you have to. When me I push up, man, people look at me and I say, Jesus Christ, are you on the bank, them boy? Oh yes, me say yo, you know them call me blue cheese. You know what that mean? Me a dressing man. You know, me kill them with dressing, man. My guy work, man. Me neat. Because you have to feel good, Ronnie. You know, if it's when you get good energy, you have to feel good, you have to smell good, you have to clean. It's how you feel and how you look, you know. You present it to the world, you know. Your job feel good and them like how you work. So my mother they tell me, say, hey boy, when you step out, you know, put best foot forward, you know. So anything me do, man, I go 100, man. She tell me, man, even if on the road you're clean. When you done clean road, man, the sky shall open and angels will say, here comes the great road sweeper, man. You know?
Yes,
anything you do it to the best of your ability. Yeah, my son.
Yeah.
And my mother teach me that from me and you. So every time I step up, I represent my country, you know, when them singing them, I say, let's look up Jamaican boy, I go and wash him, man. You understand? So I talk to my boss, them, and I show them. I say, listen, boss, man. You see all these supply things on the order. I want to go some money for the order. I got order some, you know. I got get it on a good price. I get it on a wholesale price. I buy books, pen, pencils, school bag, all these things. We send to Jamaica, we keep treat for the youth, them, the Franklin Town youth, them, Rallington Town youth, them, the Vineyard Town youth, them, the Mountain View, the Nannyville, you name it. I East Kingston come from, and I have peace in my heart, you know. All of my friends them call me East Side Rider, you know. And them say, oh, them man they ride and die for him community. Yes, man. So you already know the settings going on. Each hotel will have a policy. If you leave anything in that hotel, you know, and you don't come back for it, you know, we call you, we tell you, so we ship it and you don't want to pay for shipment, you say you're coming back for it. But you don't come back for it. After 4 months, you know, we discard it. We can't keep the junk then. You understand, Ronnie?
Yeah,
we dash it away. So what I do, you know, I tell my boss, don't dash them, I attack them. And I go through them, and the best of the best, I pick them out, Ronnie.
Yes, sir.
Wash them, pack them. I'm going to send them to Jamaica, get homeless people, man. And me say, loving in my heart, Ronnie, man. And the man, them call me and show me some video, man. Me say, I may have this girl, my girlfriend work. My girlfriend is DON, you know. DON, my girlfriend at DON for the nursing home. You know, director of nursing. She had the boss up there, you know. She control everything.
Yeah.
And me tell her my plans. And she said, yeah, we have whole heap a wheelchair them they use no more and walking stick. I'm going to pack up everything, running, man. And I see people call me, man, and tears in my eyes, running, man, and call me and say, listen, you don't know how this wheelchair helped me out. You don't know how this crutch helped me out. You don't know. So, you don't take no whole heap of riches, running, man. You don't take no whole heap of riches to help your country. It takes willing and the love from out of your heart. I send them books. You understand? Yes, I send them books. And it's an organization, and not just me alone, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
It's a teamwork. Yes, man, my friend, man, Ashanti 360, man, him have a program too. And him go around and help people. And we say the program, you know, the same thing where you're running, the same thing him doing, you know. And meet people all over the world, you know. And donate, man, I will buy bed, man, and chicken, go give people a country for raise, man, running, man. I tell you, we put in the work, man. We put in the work, running. You understand? So it's a next part, this of the work now, you know. I got the next journey, this, you know. Because me, I said to myself, say, yes, I help my people, them. Me, I got to do more for them still, you know. But I want to help some more people, some people who I don't even know. I say all the people that help people who I know already, you know.
Yeah,
they go to my community. I want to spread the love now. And then I go on YouTube now, and I scroll through. And I see a big face, a smile, and I say, look on this side, brother, oh, this side, brother. And put it on, because it's a Jamaica good life. I said, let's watch a documentary. And Ronnie, I was stuck. I thought I got on my bed last night, you know. I said at 4 a.m. I lock off the TV, I never lock it down, I just drop asleep. So when last time I look at 3:40 something.
Yeah.
Yes, man, because I'm stuck, man. You see all of the summer episode, them, but just go back and watch them, you know. And sometimes I miss things, you know, where you never pay attention to. That's how captivating the show is.
Yeah. So
I call my brother now, because him come from Westmoreland. I'm going to say, you need to go watch this show, you know, the people in that Salva Marine in our place. And I say, So him call me this morning, I said, brother, you know, I said, me I watch a show, I can't stop watching show. He said that I never tell you not gonna do that thing. I just want you to experience it yourself. So Ronnie, the thing what you do is very powerful.
Mm-hmm.
It's very powerful, Ronnie.
Yeah.
And don't stop do it. You understand? Because right now, I go make a move, you know. And the move I go make, you know, because my lawyer don't talk to me. He said, let's give me a couple more weeks, man. I'm working. You see, I talk to my boss, you know. I'm gonna pack some things. I'm gonna come visit the people them on our way. I'm gonna come check Baba, man. You think I all never eat Latin? I'm gonna check Baba. I'm gonna check the man them. I'm gonna go show them. Say, listen, we have to love Randy, you know, because you see Randy open our eyes to certain things, you know. And now they have to support me. You understand? And I saw it go.
Mm-hmm.
One hand can't clap, Randy. One hand can't clap.
Mm-hmm.
So you hear people talk about, oh, me down in Jamaica, you see, my grandmother, I love her to death, you know. She sell her house, you know. She said she down in Jamaica, too much crime, man. Yes, about grandma. All the years where you down in Jamaica, and then sitting there, me never hear nobody rob you or shoot you yet. But you say you don't see the news. So you're right, Ronnie. You're right. It's a stigma of the people then because them watch the news because nobody feels to them that America them not get news. Them subscribe to news. My grandmother get news, Gleaner and Star said, well, you know the strips go already, Ronnie. Mm-hmm. We get the news said way so people watch the news and people listen to people. Here's a can't go court, you know. Here's a can't go court. Other people them here say, this the money, I said, this the money, and this the money, I'm sitting on the news. So that build up fear in the people them. My grandmother sell her house at Mountain View, man. So she done with that, man. She don't want nothing. She didn't even want the money. She tell them to put it in the bank. She didn't want it. You understand? Because she done in Jamaica. And I said, grandma, your neighbor stream cut out Jamaica. I'm gonna tell my mother, no, God forbid, you know, if I drop out, you know, I don't know when I number call, I name a call, you know. But if I number call before for the number, you know, me I beg you to send me back to my yard, you know. I don't want to bury in the ice, you know. I wasn't born in the ice. I don't want to bury up here. No, sir. We love me yard. Mm-hmm. And that everybody should know. You see, Jamaica have the best at everything, Ronnie. We have the best teachers, we have the best nurse. We have the best at everything. But then take we away, Ronnie. I feel it to my heart when I say that. Them take we away. With them fast teaching and them fast education. So you have to go to university. You have to take these subjects to be like this. And now we come and we get lost in this world, in this England world, and this Canadian world, and this American world. We get caught up in it. Yes, we do. No people not me, but I agree with me. But who feels it knows it. I get caught up, so I can't speak for myself. But you see, if everybody will left Jamaica, reach back and touch somebody from Jamaica economy boom, you know. Jamaica crime rate dropping, you know. You can't fight crime with crime, you know. You have to fight crime with money. And money alone fight crime. Mm-hmm. So nobody worry about, yes, man, my friend them send 2 shoes and 2 sneakers. That's too much up. Send something where the people them can sustain themselves. Help them on a mission. You understand? All of my friends them know me, no, Ronnie. Don't call me at about you beg the money for Ghana dance, you know. Call me say you start a say, brother boy, I say I look a shop, you know. I want to buy it, I want to rent it. Me will help you. Me take my clothes off of my back and here. If you have to start something. You understand? Because every man have something. Baba have something. Danny have something. Peter have something. Everybody, Pops, everybody have something. So you see, if Danny have nothing, Baba can give him a thing. If this man have nothing, him can help him and come. Everybody can come together and put him on the foot. But if one man have it all, when him fall, everybody fall. He can't come back up running. And that is the thing we earth with Jamaica. Everybody want to be the top man. Everybody want to be the boss. That's why I love Pokey, you know. You see, Pokey say, if she have a restaurant, she not pay Nicholas, you know. She not pay him no mortgage money, you know. But not 20 grand and no season. You say, because, people watch a show, but me watch a show, and watch a show deep. You say, anything we make, we split it down the middle. Half for you, half for me. And them people there are all up Jamaica. And them people are the bedrock of Jamaica. Them people is the meaning of Jamaica. Them people is the definition of helping your brother and your neighborly love. Ronnie, me no know oh God so good to you, you know, God love you, you know, Ronnie. Him send you safely at Jamaica if you link up with these people, you know, for open up other people's eyes. Because it sure do open up my eyes.
Mm-hmm.
And me have land of Jamaica, me have land of Westmoreland, you know, Ronnie.
Mm-hmm.
Me have land of Westmoreland,
So
man.
what the land do?
The land that's there and grow bush.
What you say to me?
Me not have no interest or thing that
How
to
much
do
land you
anything
have?
because
How much land you have?
Ronnie, let me tell you something, all right? You see, when time me done, I'm gonna call you after here, and then I'm gonna make you know something. My family, them, you see my last name? If me mention my last name, no people say blood. Jesus Christ, we know that's a dollar. We know them people, man. People are good people, man. Yes, man. My family big, man. Ronnie, my family take over the whole of Westmoreland. From where you're dead in a Negro, go all the way back to St. Elizabeth, to Hanover. My family spread it. So me, I look at you, to me, my teenager, me have 14, 15 in our country. Them treat me like royalty in around. Them say, listen, this is money, son. Them say, what? Me not buy nothing, Ronnie. Me go in a shop, people give me water bottle and free cutlass. They say, boy, you are this money, son, man, go along a road, man. You know what your father do? You know who is your father? You understand? You know who your uncle is? My family, me never know. That's why my mother used to say, what make you don't want to come back? She don't understand. Live
So
like
your
riot.
message here, a lot of people on our network want to lease land to farm. Our movement is to create a network around people. Some are foreign have, some not have. To those who have,
man.
I say to them, when you think clear, identify yourself because people want to start farming and leasing must happen. Everybody who have must start network with those who don't have. You see me?
True, Ronnie.
So
true.
A man called me and say, yeah, man, we have 100 acres. Me say, yeah? Okay, wait I do. Enough women and people are foreign, you know, would love to know so them spend some money and plant some coconut on another man's land.
So
and can
true,
call
Ronnie.
you and
Yes,
say, yo,
man.
me can go pick some coconut. You know, me Lisa. You know, people, when them see my program, is them all now get it. Them realize it's really about farming. You know, them get it.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to really stress it and just I say, every man know for really, that's why it's a network me ability now. You see a man like you call, you full tell your story for 47 minutes. I know the people are going to feel for listen to the whole story, but you're a Jamaican, you share it, you care about Jamaica, and when you think clean up, my network is about linking people. And you see, once you say JGL, become a program them already, you know. When you say JGL, a man already depend the meds. Him say, all right, me not the teething thing, me in the building thing. So when you say JGL to a man, say, yeah, oh, me a JGL. Yeah, JGL, all right. So you know what we are trying to do. We are trying to build a better Jamaica.
Real people.
You see me?
Yes.
So every time we link, enough people say, oh, want to meet Baba? And I said, no, let me explain it to you. If we never say Shaka Zulu movie, Baba is a king, Baba no meet people. Me are the chief, Baba the king. Denny are the prince.
True.
People no meet Denny.
So true.
People no beat Baba. So now, in order for you meet Baba, you have to call me. Me have to know who you is and what is your purpose.
True.
Then when me know
when
me know, me meet your family first.
Because true. I want link, you know.
You have to put your chopping head on the block. Let me tell you how maroon work. Before you meet my family, me meet your mother, your auntie, your sister. Me know about 5 locations where you live.
Yes. No, man. Listen, Ronnie.
Let me finish. So now that is the royal approach. So now when me know where your family there, because you want to meet my family, no. Me know want to meet your family. And we are the royals, we up on the top of Manchester. So now if you want to meet my family, me say, all right, let me meet your family first. So me know where everybody live. So me says, all right.
True, so true.
So now me know who you
so
is.
True.
And me scope out everybody. Yes. Now we sign a blood contract. That is a blood contract now.
Yes.
So now when you meet my family now, we're going to be in one sync because everybody know everybody. Because in a full royal family, you can't just come in.
No. Because, no, we're going to deal with outsiders like that.
Exactly. So
No,
what
we
people
don't
don't
eat out outside
understand,
that.
say some people in Jamaica, them keep things on a level, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Where them things don't practice no more upon regular levels. You say, Baba, you can't pass Baba. Baba, you cannot pass Baba in the street and say me see upon YouTube. He is not permitted to talk to nobody for more than 1 minute. 1 minute.
Real talk, real talk.
You see
Real
me?
talk, man.
Because you
Real
see
talk,
outer
man.
road from Babylon Supreme in a supremacy. What them do to Buju Banton and Marcus Garvey, them not do it to we.
So true.
You see me?
So true.
So the levels
So
where
true.
I deal with the thing in levels high.
Yes, man.
You see me?
A real talk, man.
And this is why,
man.
you see, when I film him and show the world the king, I'm going to bring the flag from Botswana. And me, as a man in the village, I have to go all the way to Africa to prove myself in my village. People don't see the levels where I go on. I have to prove myself to him. And then after I prove myself to him, I go Africa and bring the flag and say, King, see the flag here. I'm say, all right.
True.
You sit down with me and you learn, and then and me lift up now and put it on the map. So in my village now, them I look up to say, look what the boy do, man. Now him lift up the whole Manchester.
Yes, man.
So now when me get my stripe and a man say, yo, Ron, I meet you. I say, who is you? What the work what you do? Why you want to meet me? And I'm a made man. I put my whole country on the map. I lift up my whole people them. So why you think it easy if you talk to me or disrespect me? I'm a work for Jamaica for 20 years. I work for Jamaica. And nobody, me never ask somebody for thanks. Because I work for my country. Me a nation builder. Yeah. Why you think you can't just come on?
Patriot.
You see me, I say, I'm a patriot. So you see, we want the man them to understand the levels so them not walk around and just think I'm like a cameraman.
Yeah.
And enough man go Jamaica, go Africa, go get 20 acres of land for free. And enough man go Africa, go get go build Jamaica house without money. The chiefs, them meet in Africa, it take a year for meet them, it take 4 days. You see me?
So true.
So now, when people talk to me, I get to know me more than to understand the levels. A man call me and talk to me and tell me, say, oh, my friend and my sister are this. I say, brethren, I have access to 100 hectares, not acres. I know people in a parliament in South Africa who can give me land like this on the coast of Africa. I know people who know Winnie Mandela personally.
True.
So then, therefore, then, when you see me on the network, you don't take it lightly. Like me, I'm like a camera.
No, sir.
It's a program I create in my lad. Some of the people, when they say Bob and they say my family, think differently. When we open up the gate for the whole world to come now, when I go stay in a royalty, Baba is a royal king. That's why we call him King Baba.
Yes, man.
You see me? So all I want Jamaican to know, say, we all deal with our levels. I want everybody to respect the levels. You see me? Because in order for we take a place in our history in our Jamaica, I had to go out there and do something for my country, to bring all my people them back home, for farm, for light a fire, for protect our country. And look how Randy sit down and him just do it. You see me?
So true.
And then him go, Africa, go plant mango tree for Jamaica. So anybody will disrespect me, you have to have a spiritual level. We're high in our brethren.
Yes, man. Yes, yes, man. I see your start, man.
High in our brethren.
Yes, man. I see your start, man. Yeah, I love your meditation, Yes, man, I really start.
A spiritual level high in our brethren. That is why in this new technology generation, man no know say Garvey still alive. Paul Bogle still alive.
Understand. Yes, man.
And now we have a second chance again to fulfill Messiah prophecy and say, yo, we're going to work on the Issy man like you with your managing brain. All you have to do is work on the Chinese and ship out the yam them straight to Brooklyn or New York. All me ask man like you to do is figure out a way to buy a van, buy a trucking company and work around them boy there. Where we are buy yam fine and foreign and me send you straight to country and Baba. We go straight to Trelawney and ship out the yam them to New York and no.
Ronnie.
You see me?
Ronnie, when me left work, when me left work today, you know, me stop around at my local grocery store. I pick up a pear and a case of bulla. $2.99 for the bulla and $3 for the pear. $3. Remember, you know, at 20 something to one, you know. 120 something to one. So you know it's about $400 that you just pay for a pear. So I see the levels. I understand. I understand the levels where you show. You understand? Yes, ma'am. I understand. Me say I fully understand, running man. So when you say certain things, you know, and people probably just say, sure, I was a normal man. I walk around a camera. I can't go to Jamaica and do that. And I saw the thing work because you see the king. Enough people see the king, you know. But you say if the king take off all him chain and all him badges them, who would recognize the king? Who don't know so that's the king? The king, the king can't come in front of you, but you don't even know the king. So you can't judge a book by its cover. In these times, you have to know the meds, you have to know the realms, you have to know the background. In a Westmoreland, we call it grassroots. You have to know the grassroots. You can't just come up, can't just come up and talk about, oh, yeah, man, I know them man, no, and I saw it work. You don't have the grassroots in you.
Yes.
You don't come here, come push up yourself.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So when me at Jamaica, you know, understand?
Yes.
When time me do road as a youth, you know, and certain people, certain area where I'm going, you hear certain bad man name, and I'm like, say this a man bad, and this a man bad. Me meet couple of them in the running. And normal man, you know, me like kick them down with all my foot, you know, because I'm big and stronger than them, you know.
Yes.
And normal man, but you have to know the grassroots.
Yeah.
So just because you see this a little slim man, you're 4.3 with 110 pounds, you can't go lift him up. Him no light.
Yes.
Him no regular.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
The process is a process, you know.
Yes.
You have to go through the process,
Yes.
Ronnie, and you go through the process, you know.
Fire.
You know me I talk about, you know.
Fire.
You understand? Yes.
Fire.
You can't just come a Zulu warrior like that. True, you say you're black.
No.
And that's how the thing go.
No.
You have to take the initial step.
No. You have to put your life on the line.
Find your foot and throw you off like your neck feel like it's going to lift the ground. You understand? You have to get some caring on your body. What's the African them? Whenever you get initiated, you know, and I just walk in and talk and walk out, you know. This is a thing for you go, you can't turn back, you know.
Yes.
Even the mafia them, you know. Once a man is made man, you know. If you touch him, you know, you get crushed. Because I'm a normal man. And you see him coming at the bar and you say, who the hell is that guy? I don't even like him. I talk to my girl, you know.
Yes.
And you don't go off on him, you know. And then the man will say, don't do it.
Yes.
And I said, no, but the normal man like me. But no, in the normal. No, sir. No, we in the normal.
No.
Baba no normal.
No.
Danny them no normal.
No.
Ronnie no normal. It's not a normal man.
No. And you know,
So
let me tell you something. There's a quote says, soon and very soon you are going to see the king. The reason why I'm not show them the fire yet is because I wait till the end of the year.
Yes.
I'm doing these videos for bringing in the sheep them, then there's going to be some slaughtering. It is necessary.
It has to happen.
It has to happen. It is necessary.
Yeah.
Because before me leave this, before.
Yeah, we can't rest in our, you know. Because remember the rat teacher, you know, nothing that walks supposed to take its life.
No, you're right. When we go back to Jamaica.
Let's go put some sleep tomorrow, I swear.
When we go back tomorrow, the rest, I renewal. I now go this the rest when we go back. So, but for respect, King Baba, whatever the king give you, you know, you have to respect it. And then now we go back with a renewal. And I bring a whole bunch of callaloo and we go and say, King Baba, I hate me bring a whole bunch of callaloo for you. This me I eat right now.
Brooklyn color look at him, and that he needs to go do. Bring some Brooklyn color look at him. Papa, Brooklyn,
When the king has served you, you know, I said, just give me a little piece, king. Just give me a little piece. When you go to China, you can't turn on them food. The king, yo, eat this. Say, all right, king. Can't disrespect the man. And the man showing the man castle. Look on Baba Castle. Look on Baba Castle. And everybody over the world. Everybody over the world.
Man, king, man, see before you see me now. I know people don't realize that, you know, Randy. The people don't realize, though, now we set up, you know. Yeah. You can't come on now, we don't see you, know. Only king alone see you because the king sit on him throne, you know. I ever see everybody come up there and the road go on, you know. How do them really see what I How do them catch the meds?
Them don't know. Them don't know. So the beauty, you know, the beauty is that we have rewind time, come back with the king, and me serve the man honorably, bring the nation to him feet, make him teach the nation, and the people them love it, and we'll move forward. So this elevation, have you text me your first name, 1 hour into it, make we let it go now for the people them. We give thanks for your story. Stay close. You see me, stay close, my lord.
All right, my boss. Bless up yourself, man. May Jah guide and keep you said way, man. I love the reverend and I give thanks to the reason. You hear what I say?
Give thanks.
And this is just the beginning of many events. You understand?
We're going to call it royal reasoning for the one here.
Royal. Yo, yeah, meds everything in there, meds, you know. Bless up yourself, king. Bless up yourself.
Stay
yeah, man,
stay in the Almighty, stay safe.
We keep in contact, not say a word. And people, big up on yourself, all the JGL people them, big up on yourself, and everybody who don't know what we're doing, we're doing a great thing. Not for ourselves, but for our countrymen. Okay? Big up on yourself.
Love.
Yes, Jamaica.
Respect. Yeah, man, see the Jamaica Good Life. Another great 1 hour story. All right, see there. See the boss there. Donate money. Go to JamaicaGoodLife.com and donate. For the boss, for the picnic them, we're going to buy Rusty the donkey and Krusty. You know what I say? A man might say, if them are royalty, why don't I buy them one thing? The lessons that we give you and the blessings that we give you and the love that we give you and the knowledge and the simplicity and bringing you back home in your calm meditation back to the mountains. Return that love. When the sun shines, you know, the flowers open up and give thanks for the sunshine. We are shining. Return the love what we give you and happiness. Support the movement. JamaicaGoodLife.com, where the clothes is so may I say, and donate so we can buy a little bus for the picnic them. You see me? And show Baba say I love him. Make him get Rusty, the mule. And every time he bring the mule to the bush, Baba say, yo, the people them love me. The people them love me. And through me, you can get through him. And in time, you go and get to sit and eat and talk to the king at his feet. All right? Blessed love and light to everyone. Big up to everyone who support the movement. Big up to Shelly Belly. Big up to my youth name. Big up to Angela Burke. Big up to everybody who listen to the program. All the callers, them. We still up on it. Chubby Ross. Man called Kevin. Ja Patriot. Ja Tory. Nick. Ja send as a messenger from big thing I go on for recently. Valentine, New York City. You know what I say? And Vanessa, and Deacon, Lady, Sharon, you see me I say? Angela, everybody, we keep it moving, you know. Flame on Fire, Porky, Trusty, Soji, you know, Wild Apache, pick up Wild Apache, you know. And Errol and Kingston I go take with you. If you know people in Jamaica want to link with them, add me to the WhatsApp 646-330-9150. 646-330-9150. Just add me to WhatsApp. No, that is a real warrior, a real man will tell him story. You know, and it's a good warrior. It's a good Jamaican. We miss him country. Never been back to Jamaica. So I'm so passionate about it. You know me, I said, big up Michelle and big up Ian in a UK. Big up on yourself, you know, some love, you know. Big up man called Richard. And big up Dan. Thanks for the donation. Big up my 70s Advantage people, them. This level of righteousness. Big up my Christian, them, and my Rasta. You know, I call myself Crasta because we embody all word of wisdom. Everything I want in the galaxy. Remember for reading at the morning, Randy says so. Blessings to everyone. Love, light, happiness.